Installing a washing machine might seem tough, but it's easier than you think. With a little know-how and some basic tools, you can do it yourself and save some money. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than a job well done. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the washer before you start any work. Turn off the water supply too. This prevents accidents and keeps your home safe. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. A friend or family member can lend a hand, especially when lifting the washer. Before you begin, gather your tools. This is a crucial first step that sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient installation process. Having everything you need within arm's reach will save you time and frustration later on. You'll need a few basics to get started. These are the essential tools that every DIY enthusiast should have in their toolkit. They are versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks around the house. Having them ready will make the installation smoother. Organization is key. A well-organized workspace can significantly enhance your efficiency and reduce the likelihood of errors. An adjustable wrench for tightening and loosening hose connections. This tool is incredibly versatile and can be adjusted to fit various sizes of nuts and bolts, making it indispensable for plumbing tasks. Channel lock pliers, which are helpful for gripping and turning plumbing fittings. These pliers provide a strong grip and can be adjusted to different widths, making them perfect for handling stubborn fittings. A level to ensure your washing machine sits evenly on the floor. An uneven washing machine can cause excessive vibration and noise, so it's important to make sure it's perfectly level. Teflon tape, used on threaded connections to prevent leaks. This tape is essential for creating a watertight seal on threaded pipes, preventing any potential water damage. And a bucket and towels for catching any spills or drips. These items are often overlooked, but can save you a lot of cleanup time in case of accidental spills. You might also need a few extra things depending on your setup. Every installation is unique, and additional tools or parts may be required based on your specific situation. This could include new hoses, electrical outlets, or plumbing fittings. It's always a good idea to inspect your current setup and determine if any components need to be replaced or upgraded. It's always a good idea to check your washer's instructions too. The manual provides valuable information specific to your model, including any special tools or steps required for installation. Taking the time to read through it can prevent mistakes and ensure a successful setup. Measure the space where your washing machine will go. Ensuring that you have enough room for the machine and any necessary connections is crucial. This step can prevent the hassle of having to move the machine multiple times. Check your water supply valves. Make sure they are in good working condition and can be easily turned on and off. This will be important when you connect your washing machine to the water supply. Inspect the electrical outlet where your washing machine will be plugged in. Ensure it is properly grounded and can handle the electrical load of the machine. Using a voltage tester can help you verify that the outlet is functioning correctly. Double-check your checklist to make sure you have all the necessary tools and parts. It's better to take a few extra minutes now to ensure you have everything you need than to have to stop midway through the installation to find a missing item. Finally, don't forget about safety. Wearing safety gloves and goggles can protect you from potential injuries while working with tools and heavy appliances. Safety should always be your top priority. With all your tools gathered and your workspace prepared, you're now ready to start the installation. Taking the time to properly prepare will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Happy installing. Measure your space to ensure the washing machine fits comfortably. You'll need a few inches of clearance around the sides and back for ventilation. Check that the floor is level and strong enough to support the washer's weight, especially if it's on a pedestal. A solid level base is crucial for a vibration-free operation. Clear the area around the water supply valves and the drain pipe. Make sure you can easily access these connections. Turn off the water supply valves behind the washing machine. Connect the hot and cold water hoses to the corresponding valves on the back of the machine. Hand tighten the connections first. Use the adjustable wrench to give the connections another quarter to half turn. Don't over-tighten, as this can damage the valves or hoses. Once connected, turn the water supply valves back on slowly. Check carefully for any leaks around the connections. If you spot a leak, tighten the connection slightly or use Teflon tape. The drain hose carries wastewater away from your machine. This is a crucial component in ensuring that your washing machine operates efficiently and without any issues. The wastewater needs to be directed away from the machine to prevent any potential damage or flooding in your laundry area. It needs to be properly positioned to prevent leaks and flooding. A poorly positioned drain hose can lead to water spilling out, causing damage to your floors and potentially creating a hazardous environment. Ensuring that the hose is securely in place is essential for the longevity of your washing machine and the safety of your home. Most drain hoses can be routed into a laundry sink or a standpipe. These are the two most common methods for draining wastewater from your washing machine. Each method has its own set of guidelines to follow to ensure proper drainage and to avoid any issues. If using a laundry sink, secure the drain hose to the sink's edge using the included hook or clip. This helps to keep the hose in place and prevents it from moving around during the wash cycle, which could lead to water spilling out. The hook or clip is designed to hold the hose securely, ensuring that the water flows directly into the sink. Ensure the hose reaches a point below the sink's rim to prevent siphoning. Siphoning can cause the water to be drawn back into the washing machine, which can lead to overflows and other issues. By positioning the hose correctly, you can avoid these problems and ensure that the water drains properly. For standpipes, insert the drain hose deeply into the pipe, but not beyond the marked maximum depth. The standpipe should be at least 18 inches high to ensure proper drainage. Inserting the hose too deeply can cause blockages and prevent the water from draining correctly. Secure the hose to the standpipe using a hose clamp or zip tie. This ensures that the hose remains in place and does not come loose during the wash cycle. A secure connection is vital to prevent leaks and to ensure that the wastewater is directed away from the washing machine efficiently. Regularly check the hose and the securing mechanism to ensure they are in good condition and replace them if necessary. Electricity and water are a dangerous mix. Always double-check that the washer is unplugged before making any electrical connections. Make sure you have a grounded outlet within reach of the washer's power cord. Never use an extension cord or adapter, as these can overheat and pose a fire hazard. If you're unsure about your electrical setup, consult a qualified electrician. They can ensure your wiring meets safety standards and can handle the washer's power demands. An unleveled washing machine can vibrate excessively, leading to noise, damage, and even walking across the floor. Use a level to check the washer's stability from front to back and side to side. Most washing machines have adjustable feet. You can turn these feet to raise or lower each corner until the machine is perfectly level. Use a wrench to loosen the lock nuts before adjusting the feet. Once leveled, tighten the lock nuts against the washer's base to secure the feet in place. This prevents them from shifting during operation. Section 8. Final checks and testing. This is a crucial step to ensure your washing machine is ready for regular use. Before you celebrate your successful installation, it's important to run a short rinse cycle with the washer empty. This initial test run is essential to verify that everything is set up correctly. As the water fills the drum, keep an eye out for any leaks. This allows you to check for leaks and ensure everything is functioning correctly. It's better to catch any issues now rather than later when you have a full load of laundry. Pay close attention to the water supply and drain hose connections. These are common areas where leaks can occur. Make sure the hoses are securely attached and there are no signs of water escaping. Listen closely for any unusual noises or vibrations during the test cycle. A properly installed washing machine should operate smoothly and quietly. If you hear anything out of the ordinary, it could indicate an issue that needs to be addressed. Address any issues immediately before using the washer for a full load of laundry. Tighten any loose connections, adjust the hoses, or call a technician if necessary. It's better to be safe than sorry. Once the test cycle is complete, check that the washer drained all the water. Open the door and inspect the drum to ensure there is no standing water left inside. This confirms that the drain system is working properly. Finally, inspect the floor around the machine one last time for any signs of leaks. A dry floor indicates that your washing machine is ready for use. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the final checks and testing. Your washing machine is now ready to handle your laundry needs efficiently and effectively. Section 9. Troubleshooting tips. Encountering a problem? Don't worry, most issues have simple solutions. Leaks? Check hose connections, tighten if needed, and use Teflon tape. No water? Ensure water supply valves are fully open. Won't drain? Inspect the drain hose for kinks or clogs. Excessive vibration? Re-level the washer and ensure the laundry load is balanced. If problems persist, consult your washing machine's user manual or contact the manufacturer's customer support for assistance. Section 10. Regular maintenance matters. Just like any appliance, your washing machine needs regular care to keep it running smoothly. Check hoses regularly for cracks or wear. Clean the washer drum periodically to prevent mold and mildew. Leave the door slightly ajar between washes to allow for ventilation. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your washing machine and enjoy years of trouble-free laundry days. Section 11. Need more help? Remember, every installation is unique. If you're uncomfortable with any part of the process, don't hesitate to call a qualified plumber or appliance technician. For more home improvement tips and tricks, visit our website or catch Homes on HGTV